Today we are here to discuss about the new feature of content fragment, that is variation. As you can see, the content fragment is coming up with a new feature that is generate variation, and generate variation is helping us to produce different type of content based on the inputs, and those inputs are consuming by the artificial intelligence engine, and they are providing us different type of content based on the requirement that we are supplying with the content. So let's talk about that. So generate variation is available on AEM as a cloud service. As you can see, it is available on cloud service, as well as we can leverage the same feature with the content fragment editor. Though it is available on edge delivery system, but that we will discuss in some other video. So today we are talking about how that will be feasible, enabled, and how we can leverage that on the AEM as a cloud service, as well as with content editor. Before we move to the talk about what are the overview or how the content fragment variation generally available and what are the benefits of that. So when we are talking about the content fragment variation, it is a kind of tool or module available with asset module. So as you know, AEM as a cloud service, we are having different modules like sites and assets. So assets is one of the modules. With that, we can use the generate variations. It is using generative artificial intelligence to develop the different variations of your content and images. So it is something like, if you are not having very good information about any particular topic, you can just provide some keywords, set your all the inputs, how you want to generate, how different variations you want to generate, and it will provide you all the results, including images. Now, generative process starts with some input prompts. And as we know, whenever we are talking about any kind of artificial intelligence thing, it is asking some inputs, those we are treating as prompts, and based on that, it is coming up with some responses. So in the same fashion, we need to provide some inputs in our in our prompts, and prompt we are having some out of the box template which is providing by Adobe, and we can create our custom prompt template as well. However, when we are talking about the pre-built prompt template which are providing by Adobe, those are not shareable. That is with Adobe only, and they are doing time to time all the changes on those templates. Might be you can see when I'm recording this session, 7 templates were there, but during some time frame they are reducing and increasing the template as well. Now let's talk about how you can generate different type of images. So in order to generate different type of images, you need to connect Adobe Express with your similar org ID where your AIM asset is enabled. So both the products, Adobe Express and Adobe AIM asset, both should be available in the same org ID. Then only you can leverage the Adobe Express feature to generate the images based on your input. So it is as similar as text to image feature, which you can also notice in a different artificial intelligence platform. Though it is available on edge delivery services as well, and but that is not the part of the overall session. However, they a small configuration that you need to do on the Sidekick, and this same feature will be available with your EDS system. Let's talk about benefits. In when we are using the variation, as we have already discussed, you need to provide some inputs on your prompting template, and based on that, you can generate different variations. Now, prompt template could be your custom template that you can design based on your business need. You can design multiple templates like that, or you can use Adobe provided templates. Whenever we are talking about generating of the content, it will be very easy with the variation because you can have multiple different set of content based on different rational. So when we are talking about The rational, it means whenever we are providing all the inputs in our prompting template, it is picking up some keywords, and based on that, it is generating some different content. Similarly, when we are talking about personalization, if we are very much sure or aware of the content is relevant for which segment of users or group, in that case we can target that particular audience, set of audience, to generate the content variations. We can see everything in the next video how that will work. Thank you, and do subscribe my channel.